Okay.
So, go on.
So I just want to ask you some questions.
Go on.
You are not allowed to record us.
You're not allowed.
You are not allowed to record.
So we can stop this and get people services on the phone. If you want me to phone people
Yes.
services.
People are.
Speak.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'd like you to stop recording me. Thank
No.
you.
That's really something, my friend. I'll go home, my friend. If you want to go home, I'll go home. I'll go home. My tongue. Yes. Thank you
Would
very
you
much.
please stop recording us because you're not allowed
Just
to
let
record
him.
us?
Yes. Just let me.
Hello.
Hi Rashida, you're on loudspeaker. I've got AJ here. He's recording us on his phone. I don't know what the policy is and where to go with this situation right now because it's something that I don't feel comfortable with that's happening. It's escalated very quickly.
Okay, what's been recorded?
He's got his phone out and he's
Yeah.
recording
Yes.
me currently.
What, video recording?
Yes.
Okay. What's the purpose of the recording?
AJ, would you like to speak to Rashida?
No, you go ahead. Go ahead. You
This is people services, so she's asking you a question.
sure.
What is
sure,
the
friend.
purpose of the
Sure, friend.
recording?
Ask people.
She's not my friend. She's people services.
Go to this.
Hello?
Yeah.
Go
Rashida,
on. Go on. You go on.
Hi. Is that AJ?
No, you go on.
AJ, I said
I don't want to speak to her.
okay, but when I said I was phoning people
I don't have to
services,
speak
you
to
said
her.
good. So
I don't have to speak to her.
okay,
Jodie.
right.
Okay.
I mean,
can
I can go to
just
her.
say that recording somebody without their permission is not right. It's against GDPR. This is a meeting, a workplace meeting. Notes will be taken, so you will get copies of the notes.
I've
but you're not to
informed
record
him.
on your
Well,
personal phone.
it's not going out.
I have told him that we're taking notes and we're printing it. It's even stated in the note taking that we've stated that, and we will be printing at the end. He's taken out his phone and he's recording me.
It's not going on. It's not
Is
going
it still
on.
recording?
Yes.
Okay, I think, Jodie, can you take me off speaker?
Yeah. Hi.
Off speaker. Off speaker. Off speaker.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is
Okay.
not. This is not the way, Jimmy.
Thank you.
Jimmy.
Okay.
Jimmy.
Why are we recording?
This is not the way, my
Why are
friend.
we recording? You're not speaking.
This is not the way, my friend. This is it. This is it. Because I'm a fucking
Okay.
simple girl. Oh my god.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So I just want it stated on here that we're going to adjourn this because you are filming us without our
Yes.
permission.
Yes. Yes.
As
I'm gonna post it anyway on social media. This is gonna go up. You know what I mean?
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What we are doing?
We will adjourn the meeting. I have
I don't know what the
been
meetings was, but anyway. For what?
okay. We've discussed it. We've discussed why you're here
What? That's for what?
because we've got some
You
concerns.
got some concerns
that you are
from
under
someone
the
else.
influence. That you're under the influence.
under the influence.
I can smell as well something on your breath. Apologies, but there is. And I don't feel comfortable with what's happening currently. I don't feel comfortable for your safety, for the safety of others.
Don't
in
enforce
that
feelings. Like I said to
kitchen.
Jimmy, don't force feelings.
I've not got forced
Don't
feelings.
don't enforce feelings.
I'm not enforcing feelings. I
Yeah.
don't know what you mean by
Yeah.
enforcing feelings.
Don't enforce feelings.
What's enforced feelings?
All right, we done it.
I don't understand enforced
Jim will tell
feelings.
you.
Okay. Can you just carry on with what's been said right now? We're going to adjourn this. I have been told by People Services to suspend with the concerns that we've got, and we will invite you for an investigation meeting and go further from that once. If
What do you mean? You just turn the phone off.
Yes. What do
And then, what do you mean? You turn the phone off.
I had.
Jodie, you turn the phone off.
What do you mean turn the phone off?
You went on your phone. What you
I've been told.
You've been told. So you've been told that.
Yes.
You have to be careful with this, Jodie.
Okay, I need you to stop recording me because
I have to go to Jodie.
What you saying? You do have to because it's GDPR.
No, what you saying?
It's GDPR. You shouldn't be filming me
I'm
without
gonna post
permission.
it anyway.
Okay.
I'm gonna post it anyway.
Okay.
But you need to be.
Okay, I need you to back off a little bit.
Yes, of course now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm not feeling comfortable.
Yes.
I'm really not feeling comfortable. Okay. We've asked you to turn your phone off. You've refused.
This has been over to me.
We've asked you to turn your phone off. You've refused.
I did it, yes.
That's fine.
Yes.
We're going to adjourn this then because we don't need to. I'm not carrying on like this. We will invite you. We'll suspend you today, and then we'll have to invite you for an investigation meeting. Okay.
Thank you very much. So what happens now then?
We are suspending you.
Yes.
Yes.
And then you're suspending me for
gross misconduct.
Gross misconduct?
Yes.
For what?
I feel.
You feel? That's what you feel?
I feel that you are under the influence and your behaviour is not what we need it to be currently, no.
How do you know that? How do you know that?
I feel like you are under the influence.
Yeah.
Okay? Your eyes are glazed.
My eyes are glazed.
Your behaviour's been quite, you know,
erratic.
Okay, and I can smell it on your breath.
You
or I can
smell it on my
alcohol.
breath.
Yes.
Smell it on my breath.
Okay.
Say.
Yes, that's what I've said. And they're my concerns.
So you're suspending me on
gross misconduct.
Gross misconduct on.
Yes, I will print out the letter.
No, go on.
I'm going to print out the letter. I don't need to say anything.
You have to say it, Jodie. You have been, you know what I mean? Jodie, come on.
You just back off.
Back off what? Back off where?
Please.
I'm off you, my friend. Back off where? This needs to be seen, Jodie. Go on. Thank you very much, Jimmy. There we go. It's all about girl. Mommy. No.
Can we do that? We'll do that after. Is it all finished?
Is there more?
Is there any more?
Is there any more?
Anything to say,
I've been writing the same stuff.
Okay.
Jodie. Anything to say? No. Jodie. Come on.
Yeah?
You can say what you're saying.
Yeah.
I'm asking. I'm just asking. What can I ask?
Right, so we're going to adjourn this. I'm going to print out the suspension letter. If you want to go now, you can go now. But
So the suspension goes on. What you call it? Do I get paid or what?
I need to speak to people services.
Speak to them now.
And I will. We need to adjourn it so that I can speak to people services and get the suspension letter done.
I am family, my friend. You know what I mean? I can't go on with that. You know what I mean?
I need
as
to
you, as long as you know what I mean.
I need to speak to people services.
Go
That's
on,
why I'm adjourning.
You did that before.
I'm not doing it while you're in the room. I need to adjourn this meeting. We're stopping
I need to know though. You know what I mean?
I've just said I need to adjourn it to do the suspension letter. I'm doing
Jodie,
it
you
now.
can't do this.
I'm doing this
You're not
suspension
Nelly.
letter. Okay.
You're not Nelly.
Okay, I know I'm not Nelly. I've got to.
You need
adjourn
to do the
this
thing,
meeting.
my friend.
I've got to adjourn the meeting.
You're not Nelly. You need to.
Can you stop?
You're
not listening.
Stop what?
You're not listening to me.
You need to get with the people.
Can you stop? We are adjourning this meeting right now so that I can create the suspension letter with people services.
I'm out of
give it
money,
to
my
you.
friend.
No, you're not, because I give you the suspension letter now. Okay? But we can't do it with you in the room. Okay? We have to speak to people services. We're adjourning this because it can't go any further right now because you're recording. And then we will do the suspension letter and we will discuss it. Okay?
Mummy Nelly. Alright.
I'm not Mummy Nelly.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mummy Nelly.
I'm not Mummy Nelly.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
I'm
you
not.
can just do it on your thing, my friend. On your phone. That's it. Call them.
What on my phone?
Call them, Nelly. Oh my God, Jesus. I almost called you Nelly then. I know you're in a situation now, you know what I mean? You are put in a situation. No, I'm not
Stop
even near
being
you.
aggressive.
I'm not even near you.
You're
Oh my
very
God,
loud.
Jodie.
You're being very
Why you
loud
doing-
and aggressive. Okay, please calm
I'm not
down.
even near you. Why are you doing this? You can't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Because of a girl. Oh my God.
What
Right,
girl?
You do, yeah, you do what you do. You do what you, everything's gonna come out, my friend. Everything's gonna come out.
There's no girl.
There's no girl.
Can you make sure you're writing this all
Is
down?
it this one?
Go on.
Sure, this is.
I'll- No.
Go on. Like this.
Okay.
This is where Danny's got set. So they're the big people. Talk people.
I need to,
No, yes.
Adjourn this.
Yes.
and then we will do the suspension
That's
letter,
where we
and
go,
it will,
I mean.
and it will have
We
everything.
don't have to go
and
this route.
and it will have everything on
Yes,
there
they
about
will have
pay
the-
and
yes,
everything.
yes.
Okay.
They will have you on the thing, you know what I mean? Saying that. You know what I mean?
Okay. Again, I haven't said anything. I'm
It's
doing
on
the
the
suspension
oh my
letter.
God. It's on the
Can you
camera.
calm down. I'm
It's on camera.
okay. So I need you to.
Why are you?
We're going to print
What?
this out. You sign it.
I'm not
it's-
signing anything.
Okay, then you don't need to sign anything.
No, I'm not signing anything.
Okay, so you don't
You
want
on-
to sign the
you on
notes.
video.
Okay,
They
you
wanna
don't
see
want to
it.
sign the notes of what's been said.
No.
You don't want to read it and
It's not,
sign it.
It's not true. It's not true.
Okay.
And this is gonna. You know what that is concept. Oh my God. You don't know. You don't know. You just got in here and you. Right. This is your position. You know. Nelly's gone. Mommy Nelly. Right.
I'm not Mummy Nelly. Can you
Yes.
stop calling me that, please?
Mommy Nelly. Mommy Nelly. You have to do whatever. No. Jimmy's not saying anything. Go to him. Go to you, Jimmy. Go to you, Jimmy. Go to you, Jimmy.
Okay. I'd like you to.
I'm not saying anything.
Okay, but if you don't want to sign it, that's fine. You've refused to sign it.
Yeah.
I will send it to you. I would like you to.
But this is gonna go to
Okay.
them, yeah.
Okay. I would like you to just leave the office. We are going to adjourn as you can't. I'm not continuing this.
What you mean adjourn the office?
We're adjourning the meeting. You are going to be suspended. I'm going
Yes.
to write your suspension letter
Which
so that you
is-
have something.
Yes.
And that will have state exactly what's happening with pay, etc., like that.
Yes.
I just need to get it finalised.
Yes.
I will give you that in,
Yes.
in a few minutes after this.
Yes.
But you won't be in the office while I do it. I need to speak to people's
Of course not.
services.
What will we have?
And then we will go from there. You will be invited for an investigation meeting.
Yes.
And then we will go from there.
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you very much. Yeah. And then, Jodie. Must call him everything. Jodie. Thank you very much, Jodie. She's the one who's gonna take care. I mean, it's just good. I mean, I have to record this. I mean, he has to go over. You know what I mean, to the big people.
You
know what I
are
mean?
breaking GDPR.
No, it's not
Okay,
GDPR.
I haven't given you
I
my
mean,
permission to record me.
no, it's not
And
GDPR.
this is a work investigation. This is
It's
in
not
work
GDPR.
hours.
When it's protecting me, myself. You, get out.
Okay.
Get out of here.
You don't need to tell me the F word and to get
No,
out
I
of
said
here.
get out of here. It's on the video, anyway.
Okay.
Why are you trying to... Why you do this?
Okay.
Jodie. I do whatever I want, Jodie. I don't have to listen to you, Jodie.
Okay.
Because you told what to do. Oh my God. Do you do.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you don't want to read these or
No,
sign them?
I don't want
Fine.
to. No.
Okay. Can we print these?
You want me to?
Yeah, I'll print it. I'll read mine and I'll sign it.
Jimmy, anything to say? No. Jimmy. Jimmy.
Okay, it doesn't. Yeah, it's fine. Just
Jimmy.
print it.
Jimmy.
So it's the 14th of the 3rd. Like I said, we'll adjourn here and then you'll be invited for an
Jimmy, anything to say?
investigation.
Jimmy, anything to say? Jimmy. There you go. You're married. Anything to say, Jimmy?
We will send you a copy of these via email if you don't want to sign them now. Okay?
Anything to say, Jimmy? No. Jimmy. Jimmy. Of course, you don't. Of course you don't. Of course you don't.
This one, yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you, AJ. If you would
Thank
like to
you.
go and wait, you can either wait
Wait.
upstairs or wait for the suspension
Well-
letter. You wanted the suspension letter, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
should I wait? Even where should I wait?
If you want to go and get out of uniform, and I can either bring it
What,
to you.
do I
you
come
can
back
either-
in here?
You
or what?
can wait there, or you can wait in the team room. Where would you like to
So
wait?
how would I wait?
I'm asking you where you would like to wait.
What else is?
Okay.
Put me away. Anything to say to me? No. Thank you very much. Sensitive. Sensitive.